back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto. Today we're going to take a look at Pepe coin and how to invest in it. How do you do? Where do you find the Pepe coin and how do you buy it? Well, I'm going to show you how today in the fastest and simplest way possible so that you can get invested in it if you think it's a good investment. This is not financial advice, this is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, let's find out. And one of the best sources to get information about coins and the crypto market in general is CoinMarketCap. They have all the information you need about a specific coin you want to look at. It shows you the chart, you can put it on the daily time frame, 7-day, and since its beginning. And as you can see, Pepe coin has been soaring to the upside. You have the contract address. Yeah, everything you need is displayed here. And the most important information, or not the most important, everything is important, is the history of the coin. You can go through it quickly, see what it's about, and then you have a where can I buy a specific coin section. And as you can see, Pepe can be traded on Uniswap, Huobi, Gate.io, Mexi, and more. And if you scroll down to the almost to the bottom of the page, there is a section called Pepe Markets, and we have all centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. And centralized exchanges are like the Coinbase, the Binance, and in this case we have OKEx, Gate.io, Huobi, BitGet, and so on. And the most traded one is ranked first, so where there's most trading volume is displayed on the first ranking section in general. So as you can see, OKEx is the largest exchange and where most amount of volume is exchanged for this specific coin, Pepe. And we're gonna use that to buy our coin today. So let's go to OKEx. So since OKEx is one of the largest exchanges in the world, it's a great idea to use it because then you're pretty much more secure than not. So you can just put in your own money, your fiat money. They have 95 currencies that you can buy crypto for, and they've shown you the 3 simple steps to buy any coin, and in this case Pepe coin. You register an account with your email address, and then you'll be asked to verify your identity. Basically what you do is you send a selfie of yourself and your driver's license, passport, or any kind of identification card. That will be processed by their team and you will get access to buy crypto when you have been accepted. I've not done it for a while. I had an OKEx account. I haven't used OKEx so much. I prefer Binance, but I remember it took a couple of hours before you were able to buy crypto. For some people it takes less, for some more. And basically what you do is you go to buy crypto and you press buy card, and this is where I am now. They have Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and so on. You go to the buy section, you select your preferred fiat currency. You can use US dollars, you can use a lot of different currencies, as you can see, from all over the world. They have Japanese yen, they have euro, yeah, basically whatever you want. And you could buy USDT because that's what you will trade in when you buy your Pepe coin, because all of the coins, or most of them, are traded with a USDT pair. So what you do, you set your amount that you are willing to invest in Pepe, and then you will receive an amount of USDT. When that has been done, you will get a confirmation email that your money has been sent to OKEx and they've accepted the transaction and so on. you will get to this site. You press on My Assets, and you will get to this page. You will see that you will have an X amount of money in your funding account, and you will get a trading account, and that is where you buy your coins basically. But when you deposit, you usually get them to your funding account. So what you need to do is basically to press transfer so that you can transfer your money to the trading account. So your USDT should go to your trading account. I have $7 available, some pocket money that I'm gonna invest in Pepe coin. You do whatever you want to do. This is not financial advice. I'm just gonna show you how you do it technically. And I will transfer everything I have in the account and press transfer. And it has now been completed, and we are ready to buy our Pepe coin. So the next and final step is actually to buy the Pepe coin. What you need to do, or the most easy thing you could do, is to hover over this trade button. You go to basic trading, and you will get to a page looking something like this. It's loading a bit, and you see all kinds of numbers. You see red, you see green. Everything is crazy over here if you're new to this, but on the left hand side here you can see a lot of trading pairs here. And as you know, if you've been following this tutorial, you can see that you are using USDT. So you need to see a pair of USDT and your coin you want to buy. If you buy Bitcoin, BTC/USDT is your trading pair. And as you know, we want to buy Pepe coin, and we will press on this bottom right here. If you don't see Pepe coin here, what you do is you search for Pepe, and you will get all trading pairs in Pepe. So you see we have spot, we are trading in spot. So spot is basically no leverage, you hold the coin. And then we have the perpetual contracts and the margin contracts. That's when you trade them with leverage usually. So we are pressing on Pepe, the spot, and we're going to trade according to this right here. So the first thing you see is that you will get this midsection here, and you will have something called limit. That's basically a limit buy in this case, or a limit sell. That's basically you set your price you want to buy Pepe coin for. You're asking for a certain amount that you're willing to pay for a specific coin. So in this case, let's say you want to pay the 16 here. I'm not gonna say the zeros, but let's say you believe that the coin will go down to this point right here. You set 0.0016 as an order, and you wait for the price to go there. You set your amount of US dollars you want to buy, and so on. But let's say you want to be super simple. You believe that Pepe coin is gonna shoot to $1 in a couple of years. Then you press on market buy because you don't care about the small price ranges right here. You press on market. That means you're paying for the closest asking price or bidding price in the current price point. So what you need to do, you place a market order. You set your amount of US dollars you want to buy Pepe coin for. In this case, I'm going to buy it for 100%, so $7.74 approximately. You press buy Pepe, and voila, congratulations, you are now holding Pepe coin. I hope you learned something today, because this was the super most easy way to buy Pepe coin. It's on a centralized exchange. You verify yourself, you buy it with your fiat money, and then you hold it. Super easy. I know there's a lot of different ways to do it, but those are in general more complicated. They're easy as well, but those are more complicated. If you're totally new to crypto, this is the most easy way to buy Pepe coin. Stay safe, fellas, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Big Boss out.